Alrighty. See you, doggos. Bye. Goodbye. Oh, they've destroyed an egg carton, it looks like. Well, hello guys. What's up? Welcome to another video where today you guys have been asking me to do this for so long, and I'm sorry I didn't ever do it with my single turbo FD. But here today we have my new Bathurst FD RX7, and one of the craziest videos, which was just a fun thing I wanted to do, was a POV drive, and I did that with my old twin turbo setup. But today I thought I'd do something special for you guys, and for the first drive in this FD right here, we're going to take you guys on a POV drive. We're going to get the car aligned now that I've lowered it and done everything to it, plus I've adjusted the preload and all the suspension. We are finally going to take this thing and go get it properly aligned. But it's the longest drive I have ever done in an FD. So to say I'm a little bit nervous is an understatement, but we're just gonna send it. Oh my golly gosh. It's a beautiful day for it too. Hopefully you guys can all see everything. Alrighty. Beautiful. Let's get her out and warm her up. Alrighty, let's get her done. And hopefully not scrape. Alrighty. Well, here we go. Right here, the Bathurst Streetport RX7, and it's not crazy loud, definitely nothing compared to my my other RX7, but God, this thing is beautiful. So I'll give you guys a few details about the car. It is a Streetport twin turbo Mazda RX7 Bathurst R, and it is absolutely amazing to drive. Compared to my old Brideport, it doesn't buck about or do anything crazy. As you can see, cruising at 4,000 RPM, second gear, going 60, and it is absolutely beautiful. And man, oh, this car feels so good. So first thing we got to do, we got to get some fuel. I don't know how fuel economic this thing is just yet, but it's always so funny having this head cam on. Not the rain! Not the rain! Oh, I forgot I can't put that window up. I have to do it at the servo down the road. God, this thing sounds so freaking good. Please don't rear end me, man. That wouldn't be so nice. The world's slowest wipers. Have to change that. Aw, no highway pulls. Oh, it's probably raining now. God damn it. This thing sounds so good. Oh, come on, man. Man, this thing drives so much nicer at low speeds. Remember my Brideport was like, this thing is just catching a vibe, you know? It's just vibing. Such a good car. 100. Shooting a few flames on the way. beautiful car. God damn. All right, we'll quickly grab some petrol. We'll continue on our journey. That second turbo kicks in like crazy. God damn. Alrighty, so now we're heading 20 minutes on this highway into the city. Should be a nice little drive. I'm so stoked. Be a good chance to test out these Michelins too in the rain, because I've never actually tried PS4Ss or owned anything remotely as expensive as these tires. Man, I love this car so much. So one thing this car has that I'm a little bit skeptical about is the speedo right here. So Ari Yamemiya made a 300 km/h speedo. I don't know how much I trust it, because every single time I've been chilling on the same speed as everyone else. I'm getting rained on. Every single time I'm like with traffic, like I'm going less than 100 right now and I'm like slightly overtaking people, I'm just gonna like chill with everyone else and see how the thingy goes. But yeah. Man, that second turbo kicks hard. So one mistake that I did make in my previous video about the RX7, when we were doing the first POV drive with the twin turbos, I said that there was one small turbo and one big turbo at the back. That is actually not the case. These cars actually have twin sequential turbos. Now, I learned this after a while, is there's two individual turbos and they're both the exact same size. Now what happens is there is a flap basically that controls how much of the exhaust gas goes into one turbo, or whether it splits it off into both of them. Oh, okay. We're getting out of the way now, are we? So basically what happens is, under a certain RPM, all the exhaust gas goes into one singular turbo. All the exhaust gas goes into one singular turbo, which helps spool it up like crazy. And then around 4,500-ish is when that exhaust flap opens and you get the full hit of both twin turbos. I know it sounds super strange, but that's what that whole rat's nest thing does down there. Freaking awesome. But this thing cruises on the highway. Wow, what a beautiful car. It's so, I don't know, it's just so beautiful. I did knock the BCs when I first had them. That was way before I understood that the preload on the front too was just terrific. Alright, so we're about 7 minutes away from DHF. Apparently a lot of you guys recommended me these guys because I was looking around for someone that was going to give me a decent alignment that I could sort of set up by myself. I hate how pretty much every single standard alignment will like pull you over to the left and stuff like that. My BRZ does it really badly. I have to go get that another alignment soon. But basically I got it back from an alignment and could almost steer me around a roundabout, that thing. But no, this actually feels a lot better than my BRZ at the moment, but I thought I may as well try and keep my real expensive tires, and we'll just we'll go get a proper alignment done. That was very loud, goddamn. Bop. That's the best part about this car. Bop, bop, up and down headlights. Bop, bop, up and down headlights. People must think I'm so stupid, to be honest. This car just keeps a constant smile on my face, eh? I need to turn off soon, don't I? Kind of just need to scooch myself down here. Whoa, listen to that pop and crackle map. Thanks to Uncle Huss Auto, my man. He also helped me sort out the idle. This thing had a crazy idle. It was spitting flames on idle. It's the way that Nathan wanted it. I kind of wanted it a little bit different. So we managed to get the idle all the way down. It's a little bit more bearable now. This thing is so smooth on the highway. It feels like my BRZ. Just a little bit louder, but that's because I got my windows open. Hopefully the GoPro is picking up all those little pops and bangs and stuff. Oh no. Come on, Gets. We're gonna get out of the way. I have 500 meters till I turn off, so probably not. Alrighty, we're getting off here. Now, I've never been here before. I think we're only just around the corner. Yeah, we're 4 minutes away. How sick. Ooh, she gets a bit tail happy. Bloody hell. I don't think it'd spin that easy on these tires. Surely not. These tyres must be a little bit older than I thought. Oh, nicest thing about this car, because all the seals have been redone in the back, there's no rubbing or anything crazy. There's no... That's probably the best way to put it. I think we're just down the road. Do I get in that lane or this lane? Which lane? I have lots of time. No, definitely not that lane. What on earth is he doing? You're scaring me, son. What is this thing? That's the craziest Jeep I've ever seen. Why is it so wide? Is that a Gladiator? Holy shit! That thing is massive. Merch. I've never seen one of them before, but alright. I'll tell you what, one thing I really miss is just rocking up at lights and just going brap, 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 brap. I miss the car wobbling from side to side. Maybe I could just like pretend I could overlay some other audio of my other car. I love how stock this thing is too. It's nice just driving around a stock RX7 and appreciating the twins for what they are, because this is the longest drive I've ever done on twin turbos. I can't wait to take it through the mountains this weekend. If you guys want to see our POV mountain drive, please let me know. We can certainly make it happen. Alright, now we're looking for a tyre shop. I'm pretty sure it's this one here. Yes? Maybe? I don't think it's this one. Oh no. Oh no, what have I done? Yeah, no, it's definitely not this one. Oh well, we'll follow it around. I'm pretty sure they link up around the back here. Oh no, we're good. Hey! That thing is slimmed. Alright, so just down here apparently, I need to chuck the right, which I'm guessing is this one right here. Yep, that's the one. This will give me a better approach angle anyway if there are things, yeah. Okay. Please don't hit me, bro. Thank you. Alrighty, let's do it. Alrighty, so we just left DHF tyres. They were super nice people. I will definitely be going back to go get some wheel alignment stuff done in the future. Hopefully you guys can see that there and it's not too all crossed up and stuff. But yeah, no, super lovely people. Stoked for the service. Amazingly, the alignment wasn't too bad, which I find quite humorous, because after changing those preload in the front suspension and raising it, lowering it so many times, I thought for sure this thing was going to be really whack, but it wasn't, so thank God for that. Anyway, nice 20-minute drive home right now. I told them with this alignment, just to make it all nice and neat, make it not pull to any which way, just to try and save the life of the tires. And I do like, this thing will mainly see back roads and stuff like that, so I'm not really too fussed in having it pull to the left or pull to the right or do anything crazy. I just wanted to drive straight, save the life of the tires, make it all nice and fun for me, so that's the goal with this. Man, this thing really needs an intake. I'm missing all me mad turbo noises. This guy's plate 1SL6. It's a standard issue plate too. Oh, she sounds good. Sorry I didn't rev it out. There's a car in front of me. Guys, I'm going to take the camera off. I'm going to enjoy my drive back home, and if there's anything interesting, I will come grab you guys. Kind of want to get back over, but yes, I'm just going to enjoy my drive home. This thing is so beautiful. Oh, it's an absolutely brilliant day to get you guys out in the car finally. It has been raining pretty much the entire drive back, but that's okay. It's the reason I moved to Melbourne. I absolutely love it. What a beautiful place. This car is amazing. It just literally sat on the highway, no problems at all. I've never experienced that with another RX7 in my life. It's nice to jump in something and just not stress about it at all. Props to RMS for building the car. Props to Nathan for looking after it for me for a few months. Absolutely stoked. Just drove down the road for you guys so I could show you all around the car, because it's a little bit different to my last one. If you guys have followed my last videos, pretty much we went from an FD that was pretty well stock. It had some massive overheating issues because it had a really bad alloy radiator, just an eBay spec one. This car here is pretty much exactly stock. The only thing it has done to it is a Streetport. So looking under the bonnet here, which I'll quickly show you guys, it is a very stock engine bay. You can see we even still have the air pump and everything there. It is very, very, very cool. The only thing aftermarket, I believe, is the have an RE Amemia AST. We also have a Mazda Speed oil cap, which I don't know whether that's a legit one or not. I'll have to find out, but it's got a few little Mazda Speed bits here and there. But yeah, looking around the car, compared to my last one, we have a carbon fiber front lip, some fog lights as well, which was standard on the Bathurst Type R. I actually had them on my original Series 8, but they were lost before I ended up owning the car. Have a set of 18 by 9.5 plus 22 TEs all around, Angry Panda factory side skirts, and then around the back here we have a discontinued RE exhaust, and nice, I believe it's an Angry Panda factory or Carbon Works or something like that. Spoiler right here, but I brought the car out here at the moment because it's a nice little sort of scenic area. I'm going to grab some photos of the car, and yeah, I'm absolutely stoked. This thing is just beautiful.